Hello grade 5. Today inshallah we'll take lesson 11, page 771. Divide unity fractions by whole numbers. Now in the previous lesson we divided the whole number by the fraction. But today we'll divide the unity fraction. Unit means up is 1. The unity fraction by the whole number. Okay? Now the first step is to make the fraction as make the whole number as a fraction by putting down a denominator 1. Now we will use the same strategy of the previous lesson. We said the first fraction stay the same. This is the step 1. Then the division becomes multiply. Then the second fraction we flip it. We do reciprocal. 3 over 1 will be 1 over 3. And now we do normal multiplication. 1 multiply 1 is 1. And 8 multiply 3 is 24. So 1 over 8 divided by 3, the answer is 1 over 24. Okay? Now, to check our answer, guys, to check our answer, what we do in the division, we multiply the quotient, this we call it the quotient. Multiply by the divisor, the answer should be the dividend. So let's multiply the quotient 1 over 24, multiply the divisor which is 3 over 1, and this is equal here 3 over 24. Now 3 over 24 as a first look, it is not same of 1 over 8, but you need to make simplest form here. By dividing on 3 the GCF, this will be now 1 over 8, the same of the dividend, sorry. So if you do the multiplication of the quotient by the divisor, the answer should be the dividend, then everything is correct. Let's take this example here down. We have 1 over 5 divided by 5. First step, you make the 5 as a fraction over 1. Now do the steps. The first step is the first fraction stay the same. The division becomes multiply, and you need to do reciprocal of the second fraction. 5 over 1, it will be 1 over 5. Now do normal multiplication. 1 by 1, 1, 5 by 5, 25. So the answer of this division is 1 over 25. Now to check our answer, to check the answer, you multiply the quotient by the divisor, the answer should be the dividend. So 1 over 25 multiply the divisor which is 5 originally, but we made it 5 over 1 equal. Multiply up 5 over 25. Make simplest form always. This will be 1 over 5, which is the same of the dividend. Now you have exercises on page 773. In the class we did all of the exercises in this page and the problem solving also. So I will do the first 4 from this page. We'll start from question 2. We have 1 over 2 divided by 6. So the 6 we make it over 1. And 1 over 2 stay the same. The division becomes multiply and do reciprocal. 6 over 1 will be 1 over 6. And do normal multiplication, 1 over 12. And to check your answer, do the same strategy here. So the answer of question 2 is 1 over 12. Here also, 1 over 7 divided by 2. This will be 2 over 1. Now 1 over 7 multiply, flip 1 over 2. This will be 1 over 14. So the answer is 1 over 14. And do the check, same strategy here. Now, question 4, for example, we have 1 over 4 divided by 4. The 4, make it fraction, whole number, make it a fraction, and do the steps. This is equal 1 over 4 multiply 1 over 4. We flip this. This will be 1 over 16. So the answer is 1 over 16. Here also, now 1 over 5 divided by 2. 1 over 5 divided by 2. This is equal to this is over 1. This is equal to 1 over 5. Multiply, flip the second fraction, 1 over 2. This will be 1 over 10. So the answer is 1 over 10. And we can check the answer as we did here. We check always by multiplying the quotient by the divisor. The answer should be the dividend. If the answer is not the dividend, means you have something wrong here. Now you have also questions 6 and 7 in this page, so you can do with them more. And let's do the problem solving. Here we have problem solving in the book. The book here on page 773. 1/5 of the text messages that Natalie sends are to her family. She sends an equal amount of messages to her mom, dad, and sister. What a fraction of all the text messages she sends to go to her sister? So we will divide the 1/5 on the 3 people here, mom, dad, and sister, to see how much each one will get from the messages. So 1 over 5, 1/5 means, this is question number 8. 1/5, guys, 1/5 means 1 over 5. And we have 3 people here, mom, dad, and her sister, right? So we have 3 people. Now we want to know each one, how much each one will get from the messages. So we'll divide the total of the messages by the number of the people. So 1 over 5 divided by 3, and we will do the steps. The 3, make it a fraction, 3 over 1. So 1 over 5 multiply 1 over 3, it will be 1 over 15. So each one will get 1 over 15 from the messages. The question asked us about the sister. So her sister will get, gets 1 over 15 of the messages. This is in general how we divide unit fractions by whole numbers. Do your homework and send it on Classera. Thank you so much and have a good day for all.